I'm Gunnery Sergeant Arlie Ermey. Join me and a platoon of dedicated professionals for another military makeover. Okay, boys, I want to hear hammers hammering, saws sawing.
Time for us to show our appreciation and give back to those who have sacrificed. This is Designing Spaces Military Makeover, and it starts right now.
Who is Robert Keefe? What has he done to serve his country? Why should he get a military makeover? Well, just in case you missed our first episode, you're about to find out.
I grew up in Okeechobee, Florida. Graduated Okeechobee High School in 1996 and went to a couple years of college and then joined the Marine Corps.
Before joining the Marine Corps, Robert was working as a produce manager at a local grocery store.
I was a cashier and he worked as a produce manager.
I couldn't keep my eyes off her. I used every tactic to talk to her. Finally, she agreed to go on a date with me, and first date, first kiss.
Soon after, Robert enlisted and joined the Marine Corps.
We averaged 6 to 10 IED strikes every mission. My truck alone hit 5 IEDs. The first one just destroyed the front end. Nobody was hurt.
Robert was lucky to escape 3 more IED attacks, but his luck eventually ran out.
The 5th IED strike was the one that injured me.
The injuries were serious. Diagnosis: vertebrae compression fracture, traumatic brain injury, and post-traumatic stress disorder. The incident did not go unnoticed back home.
I actually had a dream and I saw it, and what happened was I felt it.
I'm alive and I have all my limbs, so I feel very, very blessed. And
Now it's time for us at Designing Spaces to give back to Robert and his family. With the help of the Gunny, we'll transform their home and give it a serious upgrade. Your wish is our command. The heavy lifting will begin right after this.
Military families should have their own security and protection. That can start with life insurance. Some old friends have joined us with some good old advice.
Once again, Military Makeover welcomes my buddy Roy Gibson.
Tell us about some of the things for those who may not know what MBA does on a day-to-day basis for all of our veterans that are involved with the program.
We were founded as a nonprofit back in 1956, originally for the purpose of providing quality, affordable group term life insurance for enlisted service members, because at the time they had very few choices.
Over the years, the MBA expanded their eligibility to all active duty military personnel and their spouses. One might think that military personnel would have a difficult time finding quality life insurance because of the high-risk work that comes with the territory. But Roy's here to tell us that this isn't the case.
The military group actually is considered by the insurance industry to be a good risk, because they have fitness standards they have to adhere to. They have readily available medical help, and they have checkups periodically.
Moving forward, MBA is getting more and more involved in the community, seen here with our very own Military Makeover. The front and backyard is being worked on by a local landscaping company and is sponsored by MBA. Let's take a quick break from life insurance to give a salute to the local Okeechobee community for coming together to make this makeover a huge success. The Tin Fish restaurant provided the catering for the crew. And believe me, if Gunny doesn't get a good meal, he gets cranky. The folks from Island Cabinet are working tirelessly on the kitchen makeover, using kitchen cabinets provided by our friends at Choice Cabinets. A makeover of this magnitude sure produces a lot of trash. Waste Management was there to help with that. Robert and Bianca are getting beautiful new tile in their master bedroom, courtesy of D&B Tile. On behalf of Designing Spaces, we salute all of you. Now back to life insurance. Did you know that 65% of American families have some type of life insurance, totaling $19 trillion? There are good reasons why any family should have life insurance. Certainly the main wage earner in the family.
You can still get life insurance even if you are deployed, correct?
Absolutely. We had probably during Iraq and Afghanistan 175 casualties of military members that were members of Military Benefit Association, and we paid over $27 million in benefit. When you look at that, it's not a very good business proposition, but it's the right thing, and that's why we exist. And so we're very proud to have been able to help those military families in a tough time.
MBA can also help in areas like financial planning and assistance, career planning, as well as health and wellness benefits, among other things that allow families to stay healthy and save money.
By taking advantage of opportunities to learn more about how to manage family finances, that's a good thing for military families.
Well, we couldn't thank you enough for all that you're doing here and the landscaping and everything else. So before we forget, how do we get in touch with you guys?
Well, our homepage is at militarybenefit.org, and we've got a toll-free number at 877-MBA-1020. So there'll be people answering the phones there that can walk you through the process of applying for insurance or give you additional information, whatever you need.
Well, I think it's great. And, you know, we should probably get out of here before they turn the sprinklers on us.
I wouldn't mind that right now.
Thanks, Roy. Me too.
Okay, great. Thanks, Art.
Boys, looking good, getting them cabinets up. We're getting someplace here. Hoorah! Keep up the good work. Now, as you can see, the boys are just beat up. They are exhausted. They need to take a break. So, see you next time on Military Makeover, Designing Spaces. Don't make me have to come over to your house and adjust your TV.
For more information about anything you've seen on today's show or to find out how to be part of the show, log on to designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.